Guys, I was wrong about the Scarlet audio interface. Let me explain. So basically, my last video, I was saying that the Scarlet audio interface, the 2i2, the 2i4, and the 4i4 doesn't have the loopback feature, and I was wrong. Actually, what is correct is the 2i2 and the 2i4 second gen and the 2i2 third gen don't have the loopback feature. So I basically made a post on Twitter saying, just sharing the video that I made. And fun enough, Scarlet Focusrite reached out to me in the comments and said, "Thanks for taking time to create this. Scarlet 4i4 does feature loopback. This is a feature of all the larger devices in the Scarlet third gen range, but not the smaller. Solo and 2i2 doesn't have it at all. So apologies if you hadn't been aware of that." So thank you, Scarlett, for letting us know. Thank you, Focusrite. Like I said, I personally didn't know that the 4i4 had the loopback feature, you know. And again, it's the third gen because I've used the 2i4 before and I used the second gen. So if you guys have the second gen and you want to upgrade to the third gen because of the loopback feature, hey, if you don't, you guys can go ahead and do upgrade to the 4i4. And nobody said in the comments here, so I didn't even know that anybody had that, and that's my fault because I didn't make my whole research to make that video. The 4i4 probably was not out by the time I started using the Mode 2 audio interface. But yeah, like I said again, thank you, Focusrite, for correcting me. For you guys that watched the video, my apologies for the wrong information, and the right information is the Scarlet 4i4 has loopback feature, not the 2i4. The 4i4, the 2i4 is the second gen, and the 4i4 is the third gen. Yeah, so still, the 2i2 still doesn't have the loopback feature. The third gen 2i2 don't have the loopback feature. The Solo doesn't have the loopback feature. So if you want the loopback feature, you can still. I'll still recommend my Moto audio interface for you. If you guys want, you guys can get the Moto M2, it has the loopback feature. Or the Moto M4 has the loopback feature. Or if you love Focusrite sound, again, get the 4i4. All right, guys. Catch you guys on the next one.